Infinite layers are a brand new feature in Gravity Sketch, enabling our users to work in the most detailed layered way they'd like. To find layers, press the blue button on your non-drawing hand and press the layers button. Use the grab sphere to drop it into the scene. I've designed a shoe to illustrate the concepts. So here's the sketch, the sole, the upper, the laces. I'll remove the original sketch. I'll add strokes and tabs. To add a new layer, press the plus button on the bottom left of the menu. To remove, hover the grab sphere over and press the red button to delete, just like normal geometry. In order to rename, use the trigger to press, hit clear, and then type in the name of whatever layer you're working on. Here we're going to grab this geometry using our grab sphere and drop it into the green bucket. You can see that the tabs are on different layers. You can point and use the trigger to easily navigate, or when it's in your non-dominant hand, you can push up and down on the joystick, enabling you to swiftly move through all of your layers.